Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth on both devices and unlocking them. This is essential so pairing can occur. On the receiving device, set visibility or discoverable mode for a short window, then stay on that screen. Open your Photos app on the sending device and pick the first images you want to transfer. Doing these actions now avoids interruptions later and keeps both devices ready for quick pairing and transfer once the next steps start. Once both devices are discoverable, choose the recipient from the Bluetooth list and confirm the numeric code when it appears so you know you're connecting to the right device. Back in Photos, select the Share icon, pick Bluetooth as the method, then choose the paired device as the destination. You'll see a progress indicator. Make sure both screens stay awake and keep devices close. If battery is low or files are wrong, stop now, correct the selection, then resume. When transfer finishes, accept or save the incoming files on the receiving device and note the folder so you can find them quickly. Open one or two photos to confirm they transferred intact. If any appear corrupted, resend only those files. If transfers fail, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart both devices, and retry the same steps. This clears transient pairing glitches. Finally, make sure both devices have sufficient charge to prevent mid-transfer interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.